If Microsoft Word is showing the error that the selection is locked, don't worry. This is usually caused by document protection, restricted editing, or locked fields inside the file. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix so you can unlock the document and start editing again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Microsoft Word tips and fixes. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document that is giving you the selection is locked message. Once the document is open, look at the top menu and click the Review tab. This is where Word keeps most of its protection and editing controls, so it's the first place we want to check. Inside the Review tab, find and click Restrict Editing. When you do this, a panel should open on the right side of the screen. If the document is protected, you'll usually see settings that are preventing changes to the file. At the bottom of that panel, click Stop Protection. If Word asks for a password, you'll need to enter it if you have one. If you don't know the password, this may mean the file was protected by someone else, and you may need permission from the owner. Once protection is stopped, try selecting text again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. But if you're still seeing the locked selection error, there is one more important step to try. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This selects the entire document. After that, press Ctrl+Shift+F11. This keyboard shortcut is used to unlock fields in the selection, and it can help if the document contains locked content, form fields, or protected elements that are blocking editing. After using that shortcut, try clicking inside the document again and see if you can edit normally. If the issue was caused by locked fields or restricted content, the document should now be unlocked and ready to use. You can test by typing a few words, moving text around, or highlighting a section to make sure the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, double check that you stopped protection properly and that you applied the unlock shortcut while the whole document was selected. Sometimes the problem is only affecting part of the file, so repeating the steps carefully can make all the difference. To recap, the basic fix is open Word, go to Review, click Restrict Editing, choose Stop Protection, then press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+Shift+F11 to unlock the selection. That should resolve the Microsoft Word selection is locked error in most cases. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.